Got a proposal in Word, a quote in Excel, and a signed PDF? All separate files that need to go out together? With Nitro, you can merge them all into one PDF in seconds. Open Nitro, go to the Home tab, and click Combine in the Create group. Click Add Files. Select everything you want to include: PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, images, and they'll all land in the list ready to merge. Switch to Thumbnail View to see a visual preview of each file, then drag them into the order you want. What you see here is exactly how the final PDF will read. Click Settings to choose your output quality. Print ready for high-fidelity documents, web ready to keep the file size small, or Office ready for a balance of both. Pick your save location, hit Create, and Nitro builds the combined PDF. If Nitro isn't open, you don't even need to launch it. Here's a faster way straight from your desktop. Hold Control, select the files you want, right-click, and choose Combine Files with Nitro. Reorder them if needed, choose your quality setting, and click Create. Same result, one clean PDF, no app launch required. Start optimizing your PDF files today. Download your free 14-day trial at gonitro.com.